Logistics postponement from Procurement Lexicon. For more such procurement terminologies, please download the Procurement Lexicon guide. The link is available in the description below. Logistics postponement, also known as postponement strategy or delayed differentiation, is a supply chain management approach in procurement where products or goods are kept in a standard or generic form for as long as possible in the manufacturing and distribution process. It involves delaying final customization, packaging, or labeling of products until there is greater certainty about customer demand or specific product configurations. This strategy allows companies to respond quickly to changing market conditions, reduce the risk of excess inventory, and efficiently meet customer demands with customized products. By postponing product differentiation or customization, companies can lower costs and improve supply chain flexibility. To explore all the 2,500+ procurement terminologies, download the Procurement Lexicon at www.procurementlexicon.com. For globally recognized procurement and supply chain certifications, please visit www.physics.net.